A memorable moment for me was when I was with my nan and my cousins. We used to do mystery trips as kids. Driving through Te Kuiti and blindfolded the back of your car. At the end of this particular trip, we ended up at the papakoinga. At the back of our papakoinga is a bunch of trees behind the urupa. We're all playing through the forest, Nan's telling these magical stories and painting this movie-like image in our minds. Telling stories about the fairies and the mystical creatures that were in there as we were walking through. So it was an amazing moment just to be there present and feel that wairua around us. You know, it was land that my mother and my grandmother both played onto. This is our whenua, this is where our family have all played and interacted, and it's still out today, so yeah, very special. I think a big opportunity that the settlement is going to have is to bring our whānau home. I'd love to hear one day that, you know, my daughter wants to move back to Te Kuiti, to get back to her whenua, her land, and I think that the settlement is going to provide amazing pathways in order for that to be achieved and be possible. A muri kia mau ki tēnā, kia mau ki te kauau māro, whanaki ake, whanaki ake.